quality meaning quality.
Quality.
High nutrition.
Okay.
And
High yield.
Actually, high yield. Actually, yield is not here.
Value.
So for you can see the color, right? Color also we can sweetness also, right? Sweetness, right? And also aroma, right? And also safety, right? Okay. Okay. So for actually, and then firmness and also texture, right?
taste.
And also you can processing also processing.
Nutrition.
Sometimes actually we don't like some food say durian. Okay, so why? Because it is sometimes it is so hard to cut. Okay,
Oh.
you have to be on knife or and also you need to wear some gloves also. Okay, so for also processing also. So for actually say for we like to eat the strawberry. Why? Because it's easy to eat actually eat and wash and eat, and also from the strawberry you can make so many things okay, you can make the jam also, jelly,
Smoothie.
and also strawberry ice cream, and also so many things. So for actually all these things we can call the quality, okay, right?
Quality.
Okay, so now actually some of these factors can affect the
Quality.
quality, okay. So for this one can be divided into two types, okay. So number one type of factor is pre-harvest factor, okay.
Pre-harvest.
Pre-harvest schedule factor, right? Pre-harvest factor, and also some of this factor is post-harvest factor, okay. Post-harvest factor. Okay, so for actually so for these types of factor and also these types of factor actually both can affect the quality, okay, and also at the same time also we can call also storage life, okay, right? Okay, storage life is also one kind of quality, right? Okay, so for so now my question, okay, so for after harvest we can improve the quality or not, okay, say for sweetness, okay, say for actually this is the mango, right? The mango you just cut, right? Okay. So for so now is it possible to improve the sweetness after harvest? Can or not?
Can.
So my question is
Can.
after
Ke?
harvest how?
We simpan. Stop. After harvest.
After harvest, can you improve the sweetness of this mango?
Can during storage.
Yes. So actually after harvest, okay. So for actually after harvest, okay. Okay. So actually during also storage also, okay. Is it possible or not?
Possible.
Okay. How?
The Italy accommodation during storage
Okay.
So the sugar high.
become sweeter.
Become sour.
So,
Nak tolong lah. Nak tolong nanti sour.
so for this one is not improved. So for this one we have to tell this one is actually maintain.
Oh.
We can maintain the quality, but after harvest no, we cannot get the quality. Actually we have to. Okay, so for actually but now actually after harvest it will be very hard to increase the sugar content. Why? Because actually after harvest is not possible to increase the amount of starch. Okay, so if the fruit is not okay, so for
Harvest?
after harvest gas will be increased? No.
No.
So it means here some of the pre-harvest factor, it can affect the
Quantity.
quantity. Okay. So now we have to know some pre-harvest factor. Okay, right? Okay, number one. Okay. So for
Shelf life and quality. Water supply.
okay, so for can you see the slide? Okay, so for water supply. Okay. Okay. Say for you have a fee of like okay. So actually you have a small bit of like MMT, right?
MMT.
MMT.
Melon.
Okay. So now, can you tell me this one simple method how you will increase the sugar content?
Increase this
by
content.
managing the amount of water. Okay. Okay. So for
Irrigation.
okay. So for it is so for the types of plant they grow like this, right? We just use this small pot, right?
Mm.
Okay, then in the plant we just grow the plant. Okay, so then okay, so it means
Like
so,
that?
yes, okay. So how you will manage the sugar content by applying water? Okay, okay. Say for you can give a higher amount of water.
Uh-huh.
If you want more yield, and also you can give the optimum amount of water, and also maybe you can use the low amount of water. So can you tell me how you would increase the amount of sugar in this fruit?
Optimum.
Optimum.
Even.
Okay, so it means if you give in the pot more amount of water, then in the fruit the amount of sugar will be very low. Okay, how? Can you tell me how?
How?
Okay, so for throw the fruit, how to throw the
I just circle.
oh, sun.
Yes. MMT.
MMT. I like this. Okay, so actually, okay, so for in the fruit have cells, right? The fruit have so many cells, right?
Yes.
Which types of cells we can find in the fruit? MMT.
Which is this, sir?
Okay, we love this fruit. Okay, so for MMT or rock. Okay, okay. So for you love to eat the mango.
Mango.
Can you tell me if this fruit, type of the cell? Which types of cells? Okay, the cell are three types. Okay, actually, one is parenchyma, mesenchyma, and
Parenchyma.
in the fruit, which types of cells you can find? Is it yes? Parenchyma or mesenchyma?
Parenchyma.
Colon ke? Parenchyma. Okay.
We love to eat the fruit, okay? We are usually biotechnology, but we don't know which type of cell we will eat. Yeah, so in the fruit have okay. So in the fruit mainly have parenchyma cell.
Yeah, betul.
Right? Okay. So now my
Question.
Okay, so if you give the higher amount of water, how is higher amount of water will affect the sugar content? Okay, of the fruit. Any types of fruit, like how?
Because the fruit absorb water.
H2O
is in the cell,
says
so sugar cannot.
move in.
Yes.
So actually, no, cell is okay. Try okay. So actually. Already tried that. Okay. Okay. So for in cell, I show you a cell. Okay. So for in the plant cell, for any types of so for in this they have one vacuole. Okay, so should be all sugar and some other things they store it in the vacuole. Okay, if you give too much amount of water in the fruit, then this vacuole will full with the water. There's no space. There will be no space for the sugar. So how the sugar will be more sweet. Okay. So maybe then this fruit will be bigger size. Okay, if you give more water, the fruit will be bigger size. But because the cell will be full with the water, cell size should be bigger size. Okay, if the cell size is bigger, the tissue will be bigger size, and then the fruit size will be bigger. Okay, but the fruit will be less sweet. Okay, and the amount of sugar will be very low. Okay, so good. Okay, so now my question. Okay, so how the sugar content can affect the shelf life of this fruit? Can you tell me?
Shelf life?
Yes. Okay. Okay. Say for I draw two types of fruit. Actually, okay. So I draw actually two fruits. Okay. One is a big fruit and another is a small fruit. Okay, right? Okay. So now can you tell me the shelf life will be same or not?
No.
So for this is also watermelon and this is also watermelon. The shelf life will be same or less?
Less.
Less in the big one.
Okay, why?
Because it has more water content.
Okay, it is the more water then also less amount of sugar. Okay, so if the less amount of sugar, it means the fruit can store less. Okay, why? Because so by this essential process of respiration, the sugar is burned, right?
Yes.
Sugar is burned. In this fruit have less amount of sugar, it means if no sugar, then this
Less energy.
less energy, then we can store the fruit less days. Okay. Okay. So for okay, so it is really hard to water. If you give too much amount of water, okay, and also same thing also. If you give too much amount of water, then this cell will be soft. Okay, it means this side fruit will be soft one. Okay, if the fruit are soft, then we can store less days. Okay, so it means so for to increase the quality of the fruits, you have to give very less amount of water. Even though sometimes you have to stop to supply the water. Okay. Why? Because if in the fruit have actually higher amount of food, if in the fruit have actually higher amount of water, then the fruit are very less sweet, and also we can store the fruit actually less time or actually less day. Okay, right? So then, so for in this case, you have to use the less amount of water. Okay. So then, if you get the fruit have actually higher amount of sugar. Okay. So now we can say the soil factory. Okay. Can you tell me actually how many types of soil can find? Okay. So for you have stored. Okay. So for you have a field of carrot. I think you like
Carrot.
Carrot. You like that, right?
Yeah, I like.
Why?
Good for eyes.
Good for eye.
I think.
Actually, why is good for eyes?
Beta carotene.
Beta carotene. Okay, if something is yellow, and also have sugar content, also learn about this. Okay, so for can you tell me some of the type of soil which I want to know from the type of soil.
What do
Yes.
How?
Bristol.
No, you stay in the Bristol, just so you know only Bristol. There are so many types of soil.
Clay soil, topsoil, middle soil.
Topsoil is not a
Clay soil.
so we have
Organic
to
soil.
start from the loamy soil or maybe
Loamy.
we can start from the clay soil, right? Clay soil, right? Also loamy soil. That is, I think that usually Dr. Saiful already.
Yeah.
Clay soil, sandy loam, right? And then okay, sandy loam. Okay, now we come here. Bristol. Okay, so for now you have four farm, okay? So for this farm from the clay soil, and now in this farm all the soil are clay, and now for this farm is A, and B is farm from the all the soil is usually loamy soil, and also is C. If this farm have this type of soil, and also this farm have this soil. Okay, so now you want to you grow the carrot.
Okay.
Can you tell me the carrot quality would be higher in case of clay soil, in case of loamy soil, or sandy loam, or HPS?
Loamy.
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 Itu yang ni.
Bricks, right? Bricks.
S.
Yes.
Can you please spell out?
BRIS.
No.
Eh?
Beach.
Region. Region.
Okay. So
The
you
region.
tell me the next one. You know. Okay. So now. Okay. So now my question is quality. Okay. So for if it's quality means maybe you can say this one is in storage life. Okay. So for the carrot storage life would be higher in case of clay soil, or in case of loamy soil, or in case of sandy loam, or this soil. Loamy soil. Okay.
I think so.
Okay. So loamy soil is B.
Huh? I think.
Can you tell me why?
Why?
Because it is not so compact. Because it's that fruit.
Okay. Now you can tell me the quality of the very here. If you grow the carrot in the
In
soil of
clay.
the clay.
No go.
Okay. Why?
It's too
humid. It's too high water content.
Okay. So it's not good here.
not good. Itu je.
Okay, so maybe for here would be good here, and also how about the soil? If you put something, if you put some organic matter, or maybe if you put something, then if you grow the carrot, then this soil carrot will be very high quality.
Yes.
This carrot can store.
Tapi kalau letak OM.
So if you change the soil, if you put some butter, then if you grow the carrot, then this carrot quality will be very high, because main thing in this carrot the amount of water will be very low. Okay, so if in the carrot, okay, so it means if in the carrot have less amount of water, it means this one will be good lah. Okay. Okay, so this carrot can store usually long this can store. Okay, right? Okay, so now is fertilizer. Okay, so you have a field of strawberry field. Again, I have to go back to the strawberry field. Okay, so you have fields of 4 fields. Okay, field A, B, C, D. Okay. So now fertilizer. Okay, so
Fertilizer.
you know, there are so many types of baja we give to the plant. Okay, some of these baja they have high amount of plant. Okay, so we give them to the plant. Why? Because plant need, right? Okay, and also some of the types of baja are P, and also some of the baja are K. Okay, right?
Yes.
Okay, and also some of the baja zinc, also some of them. Okay, so but these three are main thing like NPK.
Essential.
Okay, so for you, okay, now I left the field. Okay, you have 3 field. Okay,
Three field.
So for in the field. Okay. So for all this is important for you. Okay. So for this N. Okay. So for in this field there, you give higher amount of N, and also in the plot B, you give higher amount of P and P. Okay. So for the N, maybe you have to give. Can you tell me one baja name?
Urea.
Okay. Urea. CO, NH2, right? Urea, right? And also P. If the plant needs P, then we need to give,
Potassium.
phosphorus fertilizer. Okay, so it means you can give ammonium phosphate or maybe something else. Okay, so for the K, we need to MP. Okay, we need to give the muriate of potash. Okay.
Potash.
Okay, so for the K is muriate of potash. Okay, muriate of potash. Okay, so now my question. So for if you give the higher amount of nitrogen, then the yield will be higher. Okay, so it means the size of the strawberry will be very high.
Very
it's,
big.
Very big. It's not very high, right? Okay. The size of the strawberry will be good, lah. But okay, so P is okay. Strawberry size will be not so big, lah. And also K is okay also. Now is my question. So the strawberry storage life will be high in case of if you give higher amount of N or P or K.
High
So it
in
means is not only storage ability, the strawberry quality will be very high in case of P and K. If you give which higher amount of P and K, then the strawberry quality will be very high, right? Okay, how can you tell me how these two will affect the strawberry quality? You have to know all this stuff because you are the biotechnologist, even though you are also agriculture both, right? Mix.
Yes.
Okay, so you have to know all this mechanism, how this P and K they can improve the strawberry.
P for flower.
Okay, so it means
K for
okay. So for if you apply the more amount of P and K, then the cell of the strawberry will be hard. It's not so soft, lah. Okay, so it means cell wall will be usually cell wall will be good, lah. Okay, it means
a little bit thicker.
Okay, so it means then the strawberry hardness will not be low. Okay, it's high, lah. But if you give more amount of N, the strawberry cell will be very soft. Okay, even though if you just harvest the fruit, then you can keep just only one taste. Okay, so if the fruit are very soft, okay, so it means we give the N to the plant to make the soft.
Soft.
So if you want more leaf or if you want more something, if you need a soft crop, okay, if you need a soft part, any fruit or any leaf, then you give more amount of N. Okay, but if you want some not so soft now, why? Because if the fruit or leafy thing are soft, they are actually storage life will be very low. Because soft means we cannot store long time. Okay? Why?
It can
If the soft,
insect
then the loss of water will be very high, and all these
bacteria
infect. Okay, but if the fruit is not so soft, maybe then this fruit peel will be good, lah. The peel color will be good, okay? And even though the amount of sugar also will be very high. Okay, so it means here you can see if you give the more amount of N is not good, then the quality it means the storage life will be very low. Okay, so for this reason you will have to so N must be, but you have to give the low amount of N. But P and K amount you have to give the high
amount of P and K.
Okay, now is method of fertilizer. Okay, so for can you tell me some of the method that can apply the baja?
Spray.
Okay, actually nowadays we like to spray lah. Why? Because we are more now smart. Now we know everybody are trying the smart technicals, smart. Actually life is smart. Okay, so it means we can give also spray, or maybe we can use also fertigation. Okay, so it means we can apply as a spray. This is inactivated baja to the leaf or stem. Okay, so for spray, or we can also give foliar. Right? And also number 2, we can also apply with the
granular.
Okay? So to give the baja with the water, then we can call this fertigation. Okay, and also number 3, maybe we can mix to the soil, right? And for this one we can call
basal
application. Okay, so now you
granular
have a
tu
CV.
basal application punya.
So for you you grow the cabbage, okay, cabbage, or maybe,
Cabbage.
or you have a field of
Broccoli.
broccoli field, broccoli,
Oh,
okay, right?
stop.
So for this plot A or field A, you apply the baja with the spray method,
Foliar.
and number 2 you apply the baja as fertigation, and in plot 3 you apply the fertigation as
Basal application.
So now you just start and bring into the storage house. Okay, so can you tell me the storage life will be usually higher in case of broccoli of plot A, plot B, or plot C? So
I
in the
think-
plot A, in the plot
I
A,
think
you have to
fertigation.
spray, and plot B you apply with the actual water, and plot C you apply drying that as a look like this. Okay, or maybe you take some butter and you put
Around
around
the plants.
plant. Okay, so then you just cut your that bird and you bring in the storage house. And can you tell me the storage life will be high in case of broccoli A, broccoli B, or broccoli C?
I think C.
Broccoli C, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, but so for these two, if you apply the leaf, then the storage life will be very low. Why? Because this actually baja, you apply the leaf tissue will be very soft. Okay, so if the leaf tissue is very soft, there will be actually the
Bacteria, ODT.
or maybe something, and the loss of water will be very high. Okay. So actually in this way, the type of application method also can affect the storage life. Right?
Right.
Number 4 is about the life and environment. Okay, so for actually so many types of environmental factor. Okay, number 1, light. Okay,
Rainy season.
okay, light, right?
Humid. Humid.
Okay, so for actually I draw one tree or mango tree. Okay, so for this side is east side and for this side is west side.
Oh.
So it means for this side they get the more light, right? Okay. So for this side they get the less
Mango.
light. Okay. So then
Coco mango.
usually from this side you harvest some mainly mango, and also in this side also you harvest some
Mango.
Okay. Okay. So now can you tell me the storage life and also quality will be high in case of more light area or in case of less light area?
Quality. Highlight lah kan?
Less.
Less light area, right? Any other opinion? Okay, so actually here some of them they already know that here we just harvest from this area because here is actually less light. Okay,
Less light.
then their storage life will be high. Okay, and then any other opinion after that? So you are east or
Where?
west?
East.
East. So it is east side the plant. So for this side the plant get more. It means the sun is moving here, right? So it means this side, of course, this side get the more light, right?
Yes.
So it means if this area get the more light means is going to be more good. Okay? If it's more light, if the plant side will get the more light, then the plant will make more photosynthesis, right? And then this fruit will get more starch. Okay?
But then shelf life?
Okay, so for it means so for this types of fruit get the more starch. Okay, so then I think that for this side the storage life will be very high. Why? Because this mango quality is high in this area. Okay, so but here maybe you just harvest the fruit, then you have to do something like, and then you have to do the actually pre-cooling. Okay? Yeah. Why? Because in this area fruit will be high temperature. Okay? So you have to slow down all these things. So so if you slow down the heat, then for this side, mango can store the longer time. Okay. Why? Because inside get more light, it is
More light, more starch.
More starch. Okay. If in the fruit have actually more starch, it means the fruit can
Have
store
more
long time.
sugar.
Right? It means their life will be long, lifelong. Okay. So so if you are thin, look like this, then your life will be short life because you don't have storage fat. Okay. So if your body is strong, so have some fatty, then if some strong food, okay, you can stay 2 months without no food, right? Because you have more storage. So the same also here, okay?
But I'm strong, betul.
You will be lovely, don't worry. Don't worry, you will be lovely. Okay, right? So at least you know how the light also can
Like the storage light.
Okay, so now is okay. Now it's rain. Okay. So for the usually for two types of storage house. Okay.
Bella tak kena.
Okay. Rain. Okay, now it's rain. Actually, how the rain can. Okay. Now I'm talking how the rain can affect the storage life. Okay. So for in this house, you keep the strawberry, and this strawberry harvested it should be during the rain time. Okay. And here you keep some strawberry, you harvest during the dry season. Okay. Dry time. So then the storage life of course would be higher here. Okay.
Yes.
Because if in the strawberry fruit have some drop of water, then it's not good. Okay. Yes. Okay. So actually we are not sure
Infection.
there are some spore here or not. If no, then this part will be actually enough. It is in this way the rain also can affect, and also same thing also. Say for okay, now it's here. Okay, so for here is Tembila, right?
Tembila.
Okay, Tembila, and also here is another is say for Melaka.
Melaka.
Okay, so now in this area, okay, so now in this area is too much raining.
Yes.
Too much rain, almost every day. So now, so in this area have one field of melon tree, and also in this area, in the state of Malacca, now I think that not so rain. I'm not sure. Okay, you know, that not so rain. Okay?
Yeah, not so rainy.
Okay, if you are sure, just go to Sabah.
Sabah.
I think that
Much better.
as here is not so dry.
Yes.
So now the same field also, here also have the melon. Okay, melon. Here is
How can
much
we
rain,
melon
here
in
is
Sabah?
not so rain. Okay, how the rain can happen? So for this now is Tembila melon, watermelon, their shelter will be very low, right? Because the plant get more water. If the plant get more water, the fruit will get the more water, and if the fruit has more water, the fruit storage is will be
Below.
Okay, and also the fruit can live actually short time. But here it is also in the south, actually not too much water, the plant will get less of water, and the fruit has more sweet. Okay, if the fruit has more sweet, the fruit can store longer time. Okay, right? So for so in this way, the rain can also affect
The quality.
Quality. Okay, so now is cultivation techniques. Okay, so I think that okay.
Weed management.
Wheat. So for I think that now you know about the rumpai.
Yes.
So I think that our Dr. Nosa already nice. Very good. Very good. Rumpis. Rumpis or
Tetap juga. Widis. Oh.
Actually, she know about the ulta. So many things like Widis. Okay. Okay. So for actually you know. Wheat, okay, wheat or rumpai also they can affect the storage life, correct? Okay, say for so the crop. Can you tell me the
Huh?
okay? So now we can tell you can just okay. Now we can move to the it's not strawberry, okay? So we can say for you have one field of sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
Or oh, bitter. What is name is bitter?
Hey, we don't know also. We don't know also. What is B?
It's modified. Because
Modified potato.
When you know because
Maybe.
I'm not sure.
Kenapa
You
beli
sure?
tattoo?
Because you are
Apa aku boleh beli tattoo punya ni?
You tell me in the next class why this why this street potato name is bitter too. And maybe something it means maybe the potato have vitamin or something else. I'm not sure.
Okay.
I'm not sure. So okay. Okay, so for now,
Kau kena buat
we'll have
test
the quick,
tu
the
lah.
quick. Okay, so for you have a two field of sweet potato.
Kau yang
So for
bangun
this
tu.
field very clean, okay, no weed, but here is so many weed lah, okay.
Oh.
So there
No good, no good.
is not strawberry, it's sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
Okay, so no weed, but here also that you just store, okay. So you just harvest and you store lah. So also same store. So now can you tell me the shelf life would be actually all are same. Like here same, in this block life same. You give the same amount of actually the same amount of actually water and
Only wheat.
all are same. Just only wheat. How the wheat can affect the storage life?
Because compete with water, nutrient and sunlight.
So it means actually it is maybe okay. Actually maybe here, okay. Actually maybe here. So for maybe in this sweet potato, is not so good. But maybe don't have enough starch left. Okay?
Ah.
So it maybe the amount of the storage starch is less than this year, right? Because here is no actually there is no competition.
Yes.
So it means maybe sweet potato, the amount of starch is low, okay, right?
Mm.
So for this reason, we can keep the storage. If the starch amount of low, it means it's like thin, okay? Cannot be
thin.
longer time.
Cannot live
Cannot be
longer.
So eat more, eh? But not so bad. Okay. Okay. So now
Not so bad.
Beta keratin.
okay. So for
Doctor.
how can we do?
Oh, okay.
Okay, so actually maybe in this sweet potato, maybe less amount of starch, and then any other things the
Nutrient.
nutrient
Nutritious
item,
value.
and then
Water.
any other ways. Okay, so maybe
Sugar
here
content.
has wheat. Okay, there's wheat. Actually, maybe in this potato sweet potato quality also low. Maybe the wheat they give some little chemicals.
Oh.
So for this reason, and maybe they are not good, right? Because maybe actually all the wheat is wheat. They want to make harm. They put something, and when with the root they also give some actually little
Chemical.
Okay, so then this growth will be very low. Okay? So it means so for in this way the food also can affect the storage life, even though the quality, right? Okay, so now it's agricultural chemicals. Okay, so for now you can so it is if you actually so for this one you must use this
Pesticide.
okay, but low amount of it's not too high. Okay, if you use the high amount of site, actually
It's not good.
Actually, there are
Harmful.
so many sites. Okay, all are
Side effect.
not good, right?
Mm.
Why not good?
Because if we eat the chemical, we die lah ke?
Chemical has many side effects.
Actually, why? Can you tell me some of the side effects?
Go up.
Cancer.
Okay. Then,
Cancer. Harmful to human's body.
Soil erosion.
Pollution.
Stomach ache.
okay. So this
Pest resistant.
pesticide can be used for this purpose.
Ah.
Okay, so it means actually they can make you cancer, okay? Or maybe
Cancer.
they can make you actually blind. Right?
Blind.
Okay, so actually they can make you the blind, okay? Or maybe they can make you
Cancer.
Abortion.
Must be taken care of this, okay? Okay, so and also they can make you burn, okay? So it means if you eat
Burn?
burning your stomach, okay, and throat, okay? They can okay. And also this is very important things. They can cause the mutation. They can change your genetic level. They can change your gene. Okay. Actually, so far your skin are very good. Then maybe your husband skin also very good. But then you got an anak very black. Oh.
Oh, because of fruit. Because of pesticide.
Because you eat the fruit, but you just buy a ikla. So you buy and also you don't wash your hands. You just slowly you can cause the infection. Right? So for this they can cause harm.
Scary.
Okay, right? And also how we can, and also number, so I think you know about the growth regulating chemicals. So now, nowadays we can use so many types, right? So many growth chemicals, right? Can you tell me some?
IBA, BAP.
Okay, so for this one, okay, so then maybe I can give one question. Please write the 5 plant growth regulators, how they can affect the storage life of the fruit. Okay, number 1, they say, I do you know what? Number 1 is actually GA3, right?
GA3.
Okay, and then second one, right?
Saya tekan Auzin. Auzin.
Okay,
Italy.
we have so many, huh? And then IBA is why? Because IBA make the root lab. We don't need root lab, right? And also IA, right?
IA.
And also number 4 maybe Italy, right?
Italy.
And also LBA, right?
ABA, FCCS.
Okay, so now can you tell me how this? Okay, say so can you tell me how this G3 can affect the storage life? Okay, say for you have a orchard of you have a orchard of mango or
Lettuce.
Lettuce.
Pak choy.
Pak choy.
What?
What is this? What is this?
orchard.
Kebun.
Rambutan.
Uduye. Orchard.
Orchard. So now can you tell me?
Mango lah.
Mangosteen.
Okay. Now can you tell me? I wrote the field. Okay.
Field.
And I wrote the orchard. Is the same? Field and orchard are same or no?
No.
So then
We use.
field means a rice field, right?
Oh.
Rice field. Or maybe you can call also watermelon field. Watermelon field. And then so if I say this one is mango field, is it?
No. No.
We have to tell mango orchard.
Orchard.
So now are clear?
Yes.
Actually, field we have to tell if the crop is agronomical.
Ah.
So for you know about the crop names, I already told you. Agronomic crop. Okay? So if the crop grains, more grains, more rice, maize, watermelon also. Okay. So for this types of crop, we have to tell they grow in the field. Okay, but so it means if
Mangosteen,
one area
orchard.
you just throw the seed or you just plant the seed, that's so close, okay, and all the plant is not so big high, okay. It means they are a tree and also they are sharp, okay, hard, okay, they are hard plant, okay?
Herb.
Okay, so you know hard, sharp and tree. Okay. If we grow the hard, then we have to tell the
Field.
Yes.
Oh.
So you know the rice is hard, also corn also hard, okay, right? And also
Maksudnya?
maize, corn and maize, and also strawberry also field, okay?
Field.
Okay. But if you grow some crop, they have tree or maybe shrub, okay? And also you have to grow the crop with a line form, okay? Or you have to follow some usually design. You have to follow some design, okay?
Durian,
And
durian.
also not so close crop, okay? One crop here, okay? So maybe you can use some design. It's like triangular or maybe hexagonal, okay? So if you grow some crop and they are not hard, they are sharp or tree, then you have to tell
Orchard.
orchard, right? Okay, now clear for life, whole life, okay? It must be lifelong, okay? So you have to know about the field and also
Orchard.
right?
Difference.
I lost. Oh, here.
Okay.
Okay. So for how about this plant growth regulator they can affect the shelf life. Okay. So for you will have a field of strawberry field. Okay. It's strawberry field. Okay. So but the strawberry size is very small. Okay. So now you want to make the biggest. So just spray the GH. Then the strawberry size will be actually bigger.
Burger.
But
Bigger.
strawberry will be more softer, okay? GHC can make the tissue, it will be soft tissue.
Tak
So
betul je.
then the storage like okay. So now we go to the GHC. Okay? Cytokinin, actually I'm not sure how they can affect the storage life.
Oh, tak bagus juga. Iyalah.
Okay, so maybe
Cytokinin.
I'm not sure how this cytokinin can affect the storage life. Okay, so now we can come to the okay, so for this one actually NA and also IA. Okay, say for you say okay, say for you okay, say for you have just one field of strawberry field, but the strawberry actually shelf life is very low. So then if you apply some NA, then the strawberry peel will be 30 feet. 30 feet, okay? Then you can improve the shelf life.
Oh.
Okay.
NAE.
And also same thing, just you have one tree in your house, okay? Just tree of mango tree. Tree. And if the fruit size is like this, all the fruit is drop. Then if you apply the NA plant hormone, the drop will be stopped.
Oh.
Okay, drop will be stopped. It means if you apply the NA
Sebab dia nak
or
induce,
I
dia nak
I'm not
fokus
sure.
untuk buat shape pula kot.
So it means if
dia
you
abaikan
apply
buah
the
tu.
NA, then the fruit drop
Boleh
can
jadi.
stop, and also you can improve the peel. Okay, so you can improve the peel structure. Okay, so this peel become hardy. Peel hardy is
Aku rasa dia
not
sebahagian
hardy.
ketika
In this
tu.
way, you can improve the shelf life. Okay, and also same thing also.
Tak apa, kau tengok balik ni.
Okay. So I will stop this one. So okay, right?
Okay.
Okay. So for this
Italy.
Italian actually it can
Fasten.
increase or
Increase.
decrease. The
Ripening. Decrease.
So,
Decrease storage
yes.
life.
Okay. So it means it can make the shorter life. Okay. If you apply the Italy to the fruit ripening will be stimulated.
Yes.
And if the fruit ripening is stimulated, then the fruit drop will, then the fruit storage life will be low, right? And also
ABA. FCC.
okay, so for this one, how
Okay.
can affect the
It fasten the ripening. Selesai.
vegan?
It fasten the ripening. Right.
Fasten the ripening.
Okay, so it means
It's same with Italy.
this plant hormone they can call the abscission. Okay, so abscission
Abscission.
means like that. Okay, so it means with this plant this plant hormone also is not so good. Okay, so it can
Lower the storage life.
Storage life.
Here. Taklah.
okay. So now we can come to the
Harvesting practices.
harvesting. Okay, so for how this plant can affect the shelf life. Okay, so for this fruit can be harvested by hand. Okay, so for if you harvest by hand, then you can call this one is manual.
Manual.
Or maybe sometimes hotel can give the shape the
Yeah.
fruit. Okay, then all the fruit will be dropped and the fruit will be bruised. Okay, so this one we can call
A machine.
mechanical harvest. Okay, so
Mechanical.
if you harvest like this, then the fruit shelf life will be low.
Low.
Because so many fruit will be dropped to the ground and
Bruised.
bruised. The fruit are bruised, then they
Microbial.
more than
Oh.
then some die. Cell die in this way, the shelf life will be low. Okay, but if you just get the fruit nicely, softly, gently, you put, and then in this way we can improve shelf life also. Okay, we having the same thing now. Okay, we see or breaking also. You can affect the shelf life. Okay, so for now this one is post-harvest sector. Okay, you know the field heat. Okay, so if the fruit have okay same things here. Okay, so for if in this area it should be inside of the tree. If in the fruit have highest amount of heat and in the lowest amount of heat. Okay, so if the fruit have lowest heat, then the fruit shelf life will be higher. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so for the heat can affect the shelf life, right? Okay, so if the heat is high, with the fruit
Ripening fast.
respiration will be high. Okay, okay. If this one is high, if this one is high, then the C2H4 also will be high. Okay, right? Okay, it means ethylene will be also high. Okay, so this is the fruit will be
Ripening high.
high and also shelf life. Okay, okay. So if it heat, okay, and also if the fruit have
Lower heat.
so then how can manage that? So you have to remove the meat heat, right? Okay. Why? Because if the fruit have higher heat, then the shelf life will be lower. So you know. Okay. So here will be higher amount of transpiration. Also loss of water will be very high. Okay. And also this ethylene will be also high. You see the fruit will be right hand. Shelf life will be low. Okay. But in this fruit. So for here is actually more light, more heat. Okay, but we have to manage, right? Okay. So we have to remove the field heat. Okay. Okay. How can we remove the field heat? Because we have to harvest the fruit at the time of pollution. It is in the
Morning or evening?
not night. Okay.
Not night. Okay. Or even at night.
Okay, so then actually we have to do the pre-cooling. Okay, so maybe so for this one can talk at next person. Okay. Okay, so for this removal of heat can be done by the using of room cooling technique. Also you can do it by passive cooling technique or maybe you can do it by hydrocooling technique, right? And also we can use
Aku je deh. Aku je.
and also at last we can
Vacuum cooling.
so
Wow.
so for this one it is very important for you all.
Important.
Yeah, here I make question from this part. Okay.
Oh, every semester.
Okay, and then is
Sanitation.
okay. So maybe all this part I will just.
Oh, later.
Next class.
So now I just will have any question. You look at the shop. Okay, still okay.
So the Vitato potato, called Vitato.
Why this name is potato? I think that in this potato have one special vitamin or
It have
vitamin.
beta carotene. No. Ten.
Sweet potato have this, some less, or I think that this is high level.
Oh,
so for this
high
one,
amount.
maybe is vitamin.
Vitamin
Vitamin Vitato.